Hello, today I'm in FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to manage ambient lighting. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Now go to menu and car setting. Enter ambient light, and here you can manage ambient lighting on the inside, welcome light, changes with instrument theme, music follow-up, color, and more. You can also enable parking sensors for ambient lighting, Bluetooth call reminder, and atmosphere light position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.